The book of 2 Samuel continues the narrative of Israel's history, focusing on the reign of King David after the death of King Saul. David anointed as king. The book begins with David learning about the death of Saul and his son Jonathan, both of whom died in battle against the Philistines. David, who had been anointed as king by the prophet Samuel years earlier, becomes the king of Judah, while Saul's son Ishbosheth is crowned as king over the rest of Israel, leading to a period of conflict and division. David's consolidation of power. Over time, David's power and influence grow, and he is eventually anointed as king over all of Israel. He conquers Jerusalem, making it his capital, and brings the Ark of the Covenant into the city, symbolizing God's presence among the people. God's covenant with David. God makes a covenant with David, promising to establish his throne and dynasty forever. This covenant is known as the Davidic covenant and is significant in the history of Israel's monarchy. David's military victories. David is known for his military prowess and leads successful campaigns against various enemies, including the Philistines, Ammonites, Moabites, and Syrians. He expands the borders of Israel and establishes a powerful and secure kingdom. David's sin with Bathsheba. One of the most famous stories in 2 Samuel is David's affair with Bathsheba, the wife of Uriah the Hittite, and his attempt to cover up their adultery. When Bathsheba becomes pregnant, David arranges for Uriah to be placed in a dangerous position in battle, resulting in his death. Nathan the prophet confronts David about his sin, leading to David's repentance and acknowledgement of his wrongdoing. Family troubles. David's household is marked by conflict and tragedy, including the rebellion of his son Absalom, who briefly seizes the throne. Absalom's rebellion results in a bitter civil war, ending with his death in battle. The book concludes with a summary of David's reign and his many achievements as king. It also includes a song of praise and lament known as the Song of David. 2 Samuel provides a detailed account of David's life, reign, and the challenges he faced as king. It portrays him as a complex figure, highlighting both his successes and failures. The book also underscores the importance of God's covenant with David and the enduring promise of a messianic king from his lineage, which is fulfilled in Jesus Christ in Christian tradition.